Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shakil, your host for today. In this video, I'm going to talk about a tragic news story that happened in Bradford, England on December 19, 2023. A man named Charles Philip Baker, who is known as Philip, was hit by a car while crossing the road and died a week later in hospital. His family has released a statement in tribute to him, saying he was dearly loved by his children, grandchildren, and his brothers and sisters. He will be forever in their hearts. This is a heartbreaking story that has shocked and saddened many people in the community. Philip was a kind and caring person who was always there for his family and friends. He was a devoted dad and granddad who enjoyed spending time with his loved ones. He was also a hard-working and honest man who had a passion for gardening and fishing. He will be greatly missed by everyone who knew him. The accident that took his life happened on the A657 new line at around 7:05 p.m. on December 19, as Philip was crossing the road. A Hyundai Ioniq car was traveling from the direction of Shakil towards Greengates when it collided with Philip, who was crossing the road. The driver of the car stopped at the scene and cooperated with the police. The police are still investigating the cause of the collision and are appealing for witnesses to come forward. Anyone who witnessed the incident or who may have video footage of the collision or the circumstances leading up to it is asked to contact West Yorkshire Police by calling 101 or go online quoting reference 1464 of 19/12. The police are also asking anyone who may have dashcam footage or CCTV footage of the area to get in touch with them. This could help them to establish what exactly happened and why. This is a very sad and unfortunate event that has left a family in mourning and a community in shock. I would like to express my sincere condolences to Philip's family and friends, and to all those who are affected by this tragedy. I hope that they can find some comfort and peace in this difficult time. I also hope that the police can find out the truth and bring justice to Philip and his family. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more news and updates. You can also follow me on social media and leave your comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this story. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.